Hello, in this video we will show you how to capture a 3D movie file. You can use the 3D image itself by double-clicking, or by double-clicking again you can use the 4-on-1 screen format. Remember, we are capturing the 3D image. So to capture your 3D images, you're going to go to the upper right tab called Output. From there, you're going to click the 3D movie, and it's already clicked. You can see it's highlighted. You can adjust the movie length or frames per second, or just leave it alone. With the mouse arrow on the 3D image on the keyboard, quickly press the letter C. Here you can see the first captured image. Rotate the image slightly, press the letter C. Keep on repeating that, press the letter C. If you wish to delete, you can right click and delete. Here, as we're continuing the process, you could see the images building up in the right panel. Feel free to use the zoom feature as well. As an option, you may click the preview tab and you can see how the movie will look. When you are ready to save the file, click Save As. Pick a place or a location. Here you can see I captured a previous movie file, and it's under the .avi. It's an AVI file that's being saved. Just click Save and you have your file. When you have clicked Save, you can see the movie is in the process of being saved. Just let this complete. Here's a quick sample of how the movie is being played. In this case, it's Windows Media Player, but other players will open up this movie. Remember, this is saved as an AVI file. You can view this as a CT type projection. What you do is click the MIP tab down here. MIP tab changes it to a CT projection. Click on Tooth 1. Adjust the slider bar to the slab all the way to the right. Then you can make your adjustment for window level to the particular desired level that you like. From there, just repeat the steps. Remember, Output, 3D movie. Here we have the previous ones, so I'll just hit Delete All. Letter C on the keyboard, and just continue the process, and then Save As, and you can save it in this format as well.